Welcome to a new feature of Zenler. Now we have added the ability to now put in a page editor with automations for those as well. So let me just show you. We're going to be using stunning themes and automation in this live class and live webinar. So now what you're going to find inside of your live tab, inside of live classes and live webinars, the feature of adding templates in here, page templates. So I'm going to go and create a new live class here, and I'm going to pick a topic, call it page editor, stunning themes and automation announcements. So in here we can now set obviously our usual things. So you can set our date and our start time, our attendees and our duration in here. Let's put in 90. And we can have registered on the site or enrolled in a course. Okay, so we can select those in there, and we can now go through and choose a theme. So if you look here, we can put something in there, of course, but we can click next, and we can now choose a theme inside of here. So we have these lovely themes. We're going to add more, but this is these are built within the page editor, so they're highly customizable, so you can change them how you like. So let's just go and preview this yoga for life, and as you can see, you can preview all this stuff. You can see all the page information up here. You can go down to this one, thank you page. So you start with this register page where they can register their interest, and they go to the thank you page here, and they go down to the page here, waiting page, and then I've got the replay page as well. Now with the replay page, remember you'll need to record your actual recording of your live class, and you will then have to upload that into this area. Okay, but it's all set up for you. So let's go ahead and go back to the layouts and just choose one of these. So I'll just choose this one for instance, and I'll click finish. And what you're going to see now is the system will generate the pages exactly like they do for a course. So now you can see under here we have this information. We also have the pages that we've built, and you will see those. It will be very, very clear to you what's going on because they're all as like you have in your course pages as funnels with the URLs in here as well. And we can go in there and highly edit those using the page builder. So if I come into the editor now for here, you can see that we have access to all of the tools of the page editor to be able to highly customize this as your normal course pages would be. So here we are in the page editor for the register page, and of course you know you'll be very accustomed to all the blocks and the blocks you can add and this at the side. So you have this full capability of using the page editor, and obviously you can jump to all of the pages as you see in here. So I can jump to the thank you page, and I can highly edit that as well using the page builder inside of Zenler like this. So all of these are generated, these links in here, they're all dynamically generated. So let's go now to the page, the replay page, which is the page that you will make sure that you're uploading your recording of your live class or webinar to. So as you can see here, we have a placeholder video, which you can just come into the settings here, come over to settings here, and then you can upload your video of your choice. So that's the page editor built into here with the customizable pages. These are stunning themes that we've added, and let's also go into the next page, which is automation here, where you can see we can add automation rules. So we have that full ability of sending out emails when someone registers, and we also have reminder sequence as well that you can set up inside of your automations. So let's have a look at these. So if we go into edit and action here, you'll be able to see that we have all this which you can change, and change the name, and you can also say how many days, how many minutes, hours or weeks from registration this actually send out. So when they register, then this email will fly out. Now look under personalizations, because we have a lot of options in here with first name, last name, full name, email, the live class topic, which brings in the live class scheduled time, live class join, link, live class host, mailing list, unsubscribe. So we've got all the settings in there. Now you can obviously modify these to make it work with you, and obviously you can go in here and you can add more actions. So if we go to the live reminder here, you're also going to see that we can edit those. You can delete them out and add new ones in there. So this is a send mail. It's going to go 1 hour after they've registered, and again you can set all these up, and this one is going to go 1 day before the scheduled time. So this is 1 hour before, and this is 1 day before. So you can obviously set them up however you like, and the rules are in here on register. So when someone registers, that's the root rule, and then you can add your actions underneath. And as you can see, you've got lots of actions here. You could also add a tag as well. So if you want to add a tag to them, you can remove a tag that's been added to them. If you've driven them through a funnel or something, or you've added a tag, you can also remove a tag there. Obviously webhooks, and you can notify admin as well when someone registers, which might be a good one. So if I just add an action here for notify admin, and you can go into here, into the admin, so that it will notify you every time when they've actually registered. And you can go hi Zenler, and then you can go new user registered, and then you could put something like personalization. You put their first name, put space, put their last name, and you can put their email as well. And of course, you know, you could go in there and put which one they subscribe to, which live, and then just put in there the live class topic or the live class link. It's up to you, and that email will then fire out to you as the admin of this. So that's automations inside of the live webinar and live classes inside Zenler. So if we jump back to our live class again, and this time I go into live and I go into live webinar, you're going to see that we can do exactly the same thing in here. So you can come in here, select a date for this, add a topic in here, and then obviously put your course card in there, go to next, and you can choose a different theme here for the webinar. So again, you can go into these, you can click it, you can preview them in here using the preview. You can click finish when you're happy with your choice of base template. And then you can go into here and you'll get the pages where you can edit those in Page Builder, and you can set up automations for those as well. So that is the live class and the live webinar, where you can set up your stunning themes and you can do automations for those as well.